This question gives us the mechanism of the hydration of an alkene and asks us to draw the mechanism for the reverse process, the dehydration of an alcohol, and to justify how we know our mechanism is correct. So if we start with this alcohol, oxygen has a lone pair of electrons we can use as a base to deprotonate H3O+. That will protonate the alcohol. That will form a protonated oxygen intermediate. This protonated oxygen intermediate can be a good leaving group, so it can leave. We can break the carbon-oxygen bond to form a carbocation. And this carbocation can undergo an E1 elimination with a weak base, such as water. Water can grab one of these hydrogens, break the carbon-hydrogen bond to form the alkene, and that will form our product, the cyclohexene, and H3O+ as a byproduct. This will be the mechanism for the reverse reaction. How do we know this is the correct mechanism? The principle of microscopic reversibility says that a reversible reaction is the same forward and backward, just opposite. If you look at all of the intermediates are exactly the same in the two processes. And if you look at all of the arrows of one step are just the reverse of the arrows in another step between these two reactions. Principle of microscopic reversibility tells us that this is likely the correct mechanism for the reverse process.